Feeling like your Instagram search bar knows you a little too well? Let's fix that and reclaim your privacy by clearing your search history in just a few easy steps. First, launch the Instagram app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account whose search history you want to clear. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu. Tap on this to open the options menu. From the options menu, scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Tap on it to access your Instagram settings. On the settings and privacy page, scroll down until you find search history. Tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all your recent Instagram searches. You have two options: delete individual searches or clear the entire history. To remove a single search, tap the X icon next to the search term you want to delete. A confirmation prompt might appear. Confirm your choice. To clear your entire search history at once, tap the Clear All button at the top of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to clear your entire search history. Tap Clear All to confirm. And that's it. Your Instagram search history is now clear. Enjoy your newfound privacy.